Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. Today, we are going to discuss words, their meanings, sentences. Assiduous, adjective, working hard and showing careful attention to detail. The book was the result of 10 years assiduous research. Atrocious, it's an adjective, very wicked, cruel, or shocking. Atrocious crime, acts of brutality. Isn't the weather atrocious? Chagrin, it's a noun, feeling of disappointment. Sentence, much to his chagrin, he came last in the race. Next, chastise, it's a verb, meaning to criticize somebody for having done something wrong, to scold somebody, to punish somebody severely, especially by beating. The newspapers were chastised for their treatment of the incident. Cheapen, verb, to make oneself somebody less worthy of respect, to degrade oneself. I felt cheapened by working for an employer I knew was dishonest. Every cloud has a silver lining. There is always a comforting or more hopeful side to a sad or difficult situation. Under a cloud, in disgrace or suspected of doing something bad. She left the company under a cloud. Next, cock a hoop, adjective, very pleased especially about being successful. She's cock a hoop about getting the job. Cogitate, it's a verb, to think about something deeply. He sat cogitating for several minutes before replying. Convalesce, verb, to regain one's health. Over a period of time after an illness, he went to the mountains to convalesce after leaving hospital. Cosset, it's a verb, to give somebody something, a lot of care and protection. His mother flattered and cosseted him. Get one's wires crossed. It means to be mistaken or confused about what somebody saying or has said. We seem to have got our wires crossed. I thought you were coming yesterday. Cry off, to withdraw from something one has promised to do. I said I would play but had to cry off at the last moment. Daunt, it's a verb, discourage or frighten somebody. I was rather daunted by the thought of addressing such an audience. Deranged, adjective, unable to act, think normally because of mental illness. I was completely deranged.